Alright guys, so we're back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to install my rear GTR badge. I'm gonna do my best. I hope it comes out good. Here's a badge right here. And it should go something like that. But we'll try to get it perfect. And yeah, I'm going to start with this water bottle. I put some blue Dawn soap in there mixed with water to kind of like remove the wax or anything like that, or the little dust particles that are on the car. I just washed it yesterday, but it was cold this morning and the car got all like, I don't know, the precipitation, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit on the rag. I'm gonna spray a little bit here. I don't want it to run too much. It probably is anyways, but somewhere like right there. Yeah, it's all good. We'll just get it washed. Go, just give it a light wipe. Nothing crazy. Voila. So on to the difficult part or scary part. But I was looking at some images on Google, and it looks like it's about an inch from the light to over here, and an inch from the top of the bottom of the trunk to like over here. So I think that'd be perfect. So hopefully. Okay guys, so I'm about halfway there. I honestly just eyeballed it. I know it's not 100% from the factory perfect, but all I'm gonna do is use a toothpick to get these little center pieces out, and it should be good to go. I mean, I like how it looks. It looks pretty good. How I said it's not factory perfect, but not bad. Not bad. Okay guys, and there's the final product. I'm for sure not used to seeing it with the badge, but I think it looks pretty good. How I said it's not factory perfect, but I think it looks pretty damn good. Now I'm missing the Nissan badge that goes right here and the front GTR badge, but I'm having a hard time deciding which Nissan badge to go with, because of course now they have a new badge for the new GTRs, and I don't know if I should use that one or if I should go with the old school one basically, or like the original one. Comment below and tell me what you guys think. I like the new style, it looks cool, but I also like the old style, so it's whatever. Let me know. And then of course I want to get the wings soon. I found one in Phoenix. I might get it shipped to me this Friday, I'm hoping, but we'll see what's up with that. Other than that, basically what I've done to the car is the badge. I fixed the two fuses because I had two blown fuses that went out, and my tail light stopped working, my dash light stopped working, and my license plate stopped working. So it was two 10A fuses, and I got those replaced yesterday actually. I had two fuses burn out. They were 10 amp fuses. Pretty much what had happened were that my tail light stopped working and my license plate stopped working. They would only work if I pressed the brakes or if I turned on my turn signal, and these wouldn't work at all. So what I did was I accessed this fuse box, replaced those two fuses where it says 10A clearance and 10A tail lights and illumination, and they're working now. Super sick. I've also got the control arms installed. You can probably see them from right here. Yeah, right there. I also got my right front axle installed. I need my left axle. I've also fixed my TPMS sensors on the car because I used to have a light on my dash and that's not there anymore. And I could like read all the gauges and basically see how much pressure I have on my tires. What else have I done? I also got an alignment on the car because my steering wheel was crooked, but now I need to realign the car after installing the control arms or the camber arms. I also need rear toe arms, but that's coming later. I've only done an engine fluid change. I haven't done anything to the differentials or the transmission. I want to do that soon, of course. The front badge is coming soon, hopefully. The rear seats are coming later. I don't have any rear seats, but that's coming later. I'm not worried about that. Then I also had removed these badges and put new 3M tape on the fenders because they were hella loose. So those are good now. I for sure need that front badge, but yeah, I'm trying to make it better and better day by day, basically. You know, it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight, but slowly but surely things are changing on it. And I got the G35 sitting pretty right here too, other than that dent. But the insurance people called me today, and well, I mean, I have some good news and some bad news. Good news is that it's gonna be paid for and it's gonna be fixed, so hell yeah. But the insurance did deem it a total loss, which kind of sucks. Even though nothing's wrong with the car, it's completely fine, like literally everything's good. But yeah, that kind of sucks. But either way, I'm gonna be paid out, and hell yeah, we'll be back to normal soon. I don't necessarily consider this like a how-to video, but basically just to give the people a better understanding on how to install a GTR badge, or at least how I did it. But yeah, and also a G35 update, since people were curious as to what happened to the car and what's happening now. But yeah, and also I gave out like information as to what I've already done to the GTR since I've gotten it. So of course I have done more than a few things to the car, and I'm gonna keep it going until I finish it. It's a never-ending project, but you guys know how that goes. You guys have your own builds and shit, so I know what you guys go through as well. But yeah, I mean, I can't complain. Life's good. Could be worse, you know what I mean? But hell yeah, we're here. I do plan in the future on taking my car to like Cars and Coffee and out of town and stuff like that. So don't think these are how my videos are gonna be. I do plan on switching it up, of course, but just trying to get the rhythm or the flow on how to do this. But yeah, pretty much. And of course, I want to get the car fully done before I go out and show it off and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one for sure.